welcome back to the channel. I'm Becky, and if you're new here, then welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. It's a bit of a different one today. I am going to do a pack with me for my holiday. I'm going to take you through how I prep for packing, what I'm packing to take with me on my holiday, and hopefully you'll get some tips and tricks along the way. So without further ado, grab yourself a drink and let's get on with the video. So we are going away for 13 days, and I also have a section for other, so that's stuff like pants, socks, medicines, gym wear, yada yada. So that is the first thing I do when I am going on holiday, to make sure I have outfits that I know I'm going to be happy with every single day. I write myself a list. Then it avoids you overpacking, it avoids you taking items that you know you are never going to wear, and it just keeps you within that limit, especially if you're going on a plane and you have a weight allowance. We're actually going on a cruise and we are setting sail from the UK, so that is great. We don't have a luggage limit. I think actually the limit is probably like 3 cases per person, which Royal Caribbean, like, if you're setting me that challenge, I am going to fill 3 cases. I'm not really. Jake would probably kill me. He would never let me take that many cases on holiday. I've got this list. I have got daytime outfits for on the ship if we go off on an excursion, bikinis and beachwear for around the pool, and then also my evening outfits. It's really good because Royal Caribbean have some formal nights, they have some casual nights, they have theme nights, so we have a Caribbean night on our cruise, we also have a white night and then a smart night as well. So that has really helped me narrow down the evening outfits that I need to take, and I've tried to take outfits that don't require different heels or different bags, because believe me, I can get carried away and take a different pair of heels and a different bag to match the heels, fur outfit, and then you end up with 14 different pairs of shoes that you're going to take on. That's just for an evening. So we don't want that. That is my first tip to you. If you don't already do this, start doing it. It has made my packing so much easier, and then you also know that you're not going to forget anything. Because the amount of times I've gone on holiday and I'm like, oh my god, why did I bring this top? I could have written it down. That is where I start. I also do make sure to throw in a few extra t-shirts, a few extra long sleeve tops, like a cover up, just to make sure that if I'm not happy in one of them, I have choices for the different days. And also I probably will chuck in one spare evening outfit if I'm not happy one night in it, because you know how you feel, you can imagine it in your head, it can look perfect, then you get on holiday, you try it on, and it's just not the one. So that's another thing that I would say. If you have the time, for me, I have to be in the right frame of mind to do this, because it's like an endurance sport. It's a full-on workout where you're trying on different outfits. So if you don't want to do that, I don't blame you, but just write a list. That is the first port of call. Second, I would suggest getting yourself some luggage cubes. If you don't know what luggage cubes are, these are luggage cubes. I got these grey ones from Amazon. It's really good because they fold up nicely as well, so I can actually pin those together and I can fold it so it's easy to pack. Or you can have it open. They have mesh on as well, so you can see what is inside. They come in all different sizes, so they come in smaller ones, they come in these bigger ones. I also got the ones from Amazon, also came with these little medicine bags. They also came with like a little tube to put your toothbrushes in, and a wash bag as well, which is super easy. I will link in the description box down below the ones where I got mine from. And then I also just picked up for some spare these black ones from Primark. I can't remember how much these were. I want to say like £3.50, maybe £5. Again, they came in all different sizes. I didn't get as many in these from Primark as I got in the kit from Amazon though. But this has changed my packing game. I got these for my holiday probably last year, and they make organising your case so easy. And literally you don't even have to unpack. If you fold them neat to go in your case, when you get to your destination, you can literally slot this out of your case, put it in your drawer. So I know all my gym stuff is going to be in there, and then once you've worn it and it's dirty, boom, straight in the wash bag. It makes holiday organisation and unpacking so much easier. So if I haven't already sold you on getting some packing cubes, please go get some packing cubes. Honestly, they will change the game for you. The one thing I would say is as well, they are really easy to stack on top of each other, so you can like Tetris your case as well, and it just optimizes the space in your case. It keeps it neat and tidy. It forces you to like fold your clothes when you're packing them away, so I would highly recommend getting those. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description box down below if you wanted to get yours. And then I literally organise mine by like gym clothes. I have swimwear, I have medicines, I have evening wear, I have day wear, one for shoes, one for bags. You get the gist. So I would get that as well. Also, if you've spied this in the background and thinking, oh, Bex, where can I get myself one of these lovely personalised cases? I made this, check it out, I'll link the video up here. You do not want to be spending X amount of money on personalised travel cases, okay? You can do it for a fraction of the cost, and it only takes a bit of felt, a glue gun, and a tiny bit of time to get this. And I am so happy with how this turned out. So this is my sun one. It's very bright. I actually got this case from the M&S advent calendar last year, and it is the perfect size. I love how bright these letters are, which is also why I loved I could personalise it, because the ones that you buy in shops, the letters are really small and they're all like neutral colours. And when I'm on holiday, I want to be bright. And literally in this case, so this is my sun case, so I can slot this straight into my case. I have got my beach cover up, so I've got my skirt, got my after sun, I've got my other like dress and top cover up, and then I have put in all my different bikinis that I'm going to be taking on holiday with me. Then I have my unopened sun cream here slotted in. Yes, we take a lot of sun cream. Jake burns, he even burns in the shade. I tan really quite nicely, but I will relayer my sun cream 4 to 6 times while I am out in the sun. I do not want to be getting skin damage. I do not want to be getting skin cancer. She says that, but then she also has Ballet Body tanning oils, so I just like put them on and then put on like my Factor 50 as well. It's just like, it's a process. So I've obviously put my oils in here because I don't want them leaking into my swimwear. But also I have just kind of put this in as like a really nice separate case. And obviously it doesn't have the mesh venting on it that those travel cubes do, because I don't know whether yours does, but my swimwear always has like a certain smell to it. I don't know whether it's like the chlorine mixed in with the sun cream, but once it's in, no matter how much you wash it, I cannot get it out. And I don't want that smell getting onto like my evening wear clothes or anything like that. It's not a bad smell, but it's just like, it's not the smell that I would choose to have. This case is absolutely perfect. I love the fact that I could personalise it as well, and now it's just gonna look really pretty in my case. So I have that for all my bikinis and my sun cream, and then this is also going to be, if you don't have a beach bag, this is going to be a perfect little case for you to take by the pool with you. You know, it's got your sun cream in, you can put a book in here, you can put a water bottle in here, you can put your hat, your sunglasses, whatever you want in here, and you know it's always going to be in the same place then. If you like me, you might have a different pair of sunglasses for by the pool or a hat for by the pool compared to what you might wear out if you're going out and about touring for the day. And I will always lose mine. I will always misplace my sunglasses. This is just a really nice, tidy way to keep everything organised and keep them all in one place, so you're not frantically looking around the pool, around your room at like 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning, rushing to get the sun loungers. So this is this. Again, I will link the video up here if you want to see how I personalise this. It is so easy, guys, and it is such a fun craft to do. Literally, this barely even cost me like £1 to make because I already had the case, and I got like a massive wad of felt for £3. So it probably cost me like 50p. I challenge you to find a travel case that is personalised for 50p. You won't be able to. Again, there's a bit of a theme here. I really like travel cases. I just think it keeps all your items separated and organised, and it just makes life a lot easier. So the next items are my makeup and toiletry bags. So I got this one and this. These were a matching set that I got from TK Maxx, I think last year or 2 years ago. They are so good. I use these all the time, not just for holiday. If I'm going like on staycations in the UK, anything like that, these are always going to be coming with me. They're really messy at the moment because I've not packed them for going away, but normally I would have like brushes in one side, and then I would have like my SPF, mascara, concealer and stuff in the other side of this, and then it just has a really nice magnetic button, so it just keeps it snapped shut. And then this one I would probably put in my skincare, and then also like face wash, retinols, any hair care, stuff like that. So again, that's messy. We won't look in there for too long because that needs sorting. But I just thought I'd show you like what it kind of would potentially look like, if that makes sense. We still need to sort that for holiday. I also then have a separate bag for my hair care. So when I'm on holiday, I don't really take loads of makeup. I take my BB cream, my concealer, my mascara, and then it's mainly skincare and hair care because I don't want the sun to damage it. In here, I have got like my hair oil, I've got like my Palmer's cocoa butter, glycolic toner because I get really bad strawberry skin and I don't want to be seeing that while I'm in a bikini. I just take this one eyeshadow palette with me. It just has really nice shimmery colours. It is nice and compact. It is a Tarte. It is Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. It just has really nice colours in it, to be fair. I don't know if you can see that. They're just really shiny, perfect for holiday. And I don't really put loads of eye makeup on or anything like that. It's just a personal preference for me. I feel once I've got that nice sun-kissed glow that I don't really need loads of makeup on holiday, and I don't want to clog my skin, especially if it's had SPF on it all day. I don't know if you saw that flash as well, but literally the biggest bolt of lightning just came down that window. I want to be outside. I want to be enjoying the sun, enjoying the holiday. I can't get this zip shut. I don't want to be spending an hour in the room getting ready, so I'm just quite low maintenance. I say that, but I'm looking at all these cases and I'm like, it's mainly skincare. I'm high maintenance for skincare, so I can be low maintenance with makeup. Where are my girlies at who are like that? Comment down below. And then, like I said, I just have a bag for medicines. So this has cold and flu tablets in it. It has sleeping, like herbal sleeping tablets, because sometimes I can struggle to sleep. It just has like your headache tablets, throat sweets, hay fever tablets, eye drops in case you get an eye infection, eye drops for hay fever, TCP in case you get any wounds. It's got an eye mask in it for sleeping, earplugs for sleeping. It's got some multivitamins in there, hand sanitizer, and acid tablets, nail files, plasters. Basically, it's just a full-on medicine bag. If we are ever going on holiday, I never like to be without medicine. I know we're not going to like places in the world that don't have access to medicine or anything like that, but it just makes me feel a lot better knowing that I have all my essentials if I need it. So I will take that with me, and it always comes in handy. We always need something, and Jake will be like, Bex, oh my God, I've got this really weird illness. Do you have something for this? And I'm like, yes, let me check my medicine bag. I'm talking at 1,000,001 miles per hour, so I'm sorry about that. I'm just so excited, guys. Like, this is our first proper holiday of the year, and it's just, I just feel like I really need it now. We're so close to going on it. Then next, again, Bex, where did you get this personalised little case from? Check out my previous video where I made my own personalised cases. This just has a B on for Bex or Becky or Becca, not that anyone ever calls me Becca. And this is perfect. This was actually a freebie that I got from Benefit, but it's the perfect size to put my hard drives in because I am going to be bulk recording videos before I go on holiday, so you guys hopefully won't miss any. So I need my hard drive, then I can put my phone chargers in here, my adapters. I can put in my Fitbit charger, which I don't know where that is, and that's why I'm not wearing it today because it's run out of battery. Basically all my electrical stuff, I can have it all in one place and it is good to go there. And this can probably slot in my handbag or my rucksack that I'm going to take with me. It doesn't need to go in the case, and it's just a really nice compact shape that is going to keep them all separate and stop everything getting tangled up. So I've got some evening outfits in there. I have all like my gym clothes in here because there's a gym on the ship and I'm running track, and I want to be trying to get some more running in because been a bit bad with my running recently. I've not done as much as I was hoping to. But yeah, so you probably don't want to see me actually pack it in the case, so I might leave it here. I've just mainly wanted to show you like a few tips and tricks that I do. Put my little bag back there so you can see it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you some tips and tricks of how I pack, what makes me more efficient and what makes packing and unpacking so much easier for me. Hopefully I'll have some holiday vlogs coming and some reviews of Royal Caribbean. If you've never been on a cruise ship before, you might find it useful to see what it's like, what the food's like, what you get included. I'll try and include all that if I've got time to do videos like that, so do make sure to keep an eye out. And if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when those videos go live anyway. But if you like this video, guys, and you found it useful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button also, and I'll catch you at the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.